a bridge cracks, and instead of collapsing, it slowly heals itself. No workers, no repairs, no intervention. This is not science fiction. It's a real material, already being used today. But the way it works is something most people never expect. Concrete is the most used material on Earth. And yet, it has a fatal weakness. It always cracks. Temperature changes, pressure, water. Everything slowly breaks it apart. And once the cracks appear, the real damage begins. Water seeps in, steel corrodes, structures weaken, and repairing it costs billions every year. But here's where it gets interesting. What if concrete could fix itself before the damage spreads? The idea actually started with a mystery. Roman concrete has survived for over 2,000 years. Modern concrete barely lasts decades. Scientists wanted to understand why, and what they discovered changed everything. Roman concrete could naturally heal small cracks, but modern concrete had lost that ability. So engineers asked a bold question. Can we bring that self-healing power back? The answer came from an unexpected place. Bacteria. Tiny living organisms embedded inside the concrete. At first, they remain completely dormant, invisible, silent, waiting. But when a crack forms, something triggers them. Water enters and activates the bacteria. And what happens next is unexpected. The bacteria start producing limestone. The crack begins to fill. Naturally. Slowly, the structure restores itself, without any human intervention. This isn't just experimental anymore. Self-healing concrete is already being tested worldwide. Bridges, tunnels, buildings, even underwater structures. Places where repairs are difficult or dangerous. Concrete production generates around 8% of global CO2 emissions. That's more than entire countries. Self-healing concrete could drastically reduce maintenance needs and extend lifespan by decades. But that's only part of the story, because this technology isn't perfect. It's expensive, sometimes up to twice the price of regular concrete, and it only heals small cracks. Major damage still requires traditional repair. And the bacteria don't live forever, so the healing ability has limits. But despite these limits, the impact could be massive. Safer buildings, less maintenance, lower environmental cost, and infrastructure that lasts longer than ever before. But here's the real question. If materials can repair themselves, what else could we make that fixes itself? And the answer to that is only just beginning.